name is Neha Marine Asif. I'm a lecturer here at University of South Wales. I teach aircraft maintenance engineering and I'm also doing my PhD in sustainable aircraft systems. For more educational videos, please subscribe and comment below. Today I'll be talking to you about top tips while applying to a university. So when you apply to a university, the first thing you have to make sure is you're doing the right course. Make sure you select a course that is right for you, something that drives you, something that you're passionate about, something that motivates you. You are going to be studying for 3 to 4 years at a university and you don't want to do a course that you're bored of. And remember, you are also going to work for the next 30 to 40 years in the same field. So you definitely don't want to do something that you're doubtful about. For me, I was always fascinated by the aviation industry, by the aircraft flying in the sky, by the military jets, supersonic aircraft. I always wanted to be a part of this world. I always wanted to contribute in some way to this world, to design, to develop, to make an impact. That's why I did my bachelor's, my postgraduate studies, and now I'm doing my PhD in aeronautical engineering. So when you decide a course, you have to make sure that that's the right one for you and you won't get bored of it. Remember, you are investing years of your life, not to mention money, into your education. So you have to make sure that the course is right for you, and the next important thing is to make sure that the university is right for you as well. So a lot of people put in a lot of effort to research the courses, but not as much as researching the university. So I would say spend an equal amount of time to look into the university, that the university has enough resources to help you in your education, has the industrial links to kickstart your career, and basically has everything that you need to be the professional that you set out to be. It's important to research the university in terms of resources, library, activities, events, even the social aspects, because remember, university is not just about studies and research. It's a place where you spend the next 3 to 4 years of your life, where you make memories, where you make friends. So basically, it's very important to look into all the aspects before you decide what university you're going to be studying at. So one of the ways that you could decide on a university is by attending an open day. An open day is basically a day organized for prospective students and their parents to have a look at what it feels like to be a part of that campus, to be a part of that university. It's a very good opportunity that parents and students should make time for, because it gives you a glimpse into the university life that you could be part of. On an open day, you would get to meet the admissions team, the faculty, the current students who are studying, ask any questions you have about the course, about the university life, basically get to know everything about the campus, see the facilities, tour the campus, look at what the university has to offer in terms of resources, in terms of industrial links, how it could help you in your career. So definitely something that you should make time for and attend if you are interested in going to that university. So at USW, we have open days and virtual open days as well for those students and parents who are physically unable to attend or maybe unable to travel. What happens at these virtual open days is basically we have a dedicated team who will guide you through the entire application process, answer all your questions, tell you about the courses, the modules, the entire documentation that's required in your application, basically guide you through the entire thing, help you answer any of the questions that you may have, and even give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the campus. So if you can't attend an actual open day, it's definitely worth looking into attending at least a virtual open day, so you get a good idea of what to expect as part of your student life. Once you've decided the course and you've chosen the university, the next stage is your application process. Now, there's not much that you can do in terms of grades or achievements or qualifications, but there is definitely one thing you could spend quality time on, because this will create a good impact on the faculty and admissions team. This is your personal statement. Now, the personal statement is, as the name suggests, personal. So it's a letter that gives the faculty and the admissions team an idea about you. You have to remember that universities receive thousands of applications and the competition is brutal. So you have to sell yourself, show them that you are the ideal candidate that they need. In this personal statement, be honest, write about yourself, what motivates you, what drives you, why you want to do this course, why you want to be a part of this university, what makes you an ideal fit. Talk about your experiences, talk about your achievements, talk about your passion. Talk to them about the kind of person you are, because a personal statement gives them a glimpse of your life and shows them why you deserve to be one of the students at the campus. This letter can make or break your application, so it's definitely something that you should spend some quality time on and show them that you are the ideal motivated candidate to be a part of the campus. So once you have completed your personal statement, it's now time to start collecting the documentation. As for the documentation, you have to make sure that you have clear copies of your grades, your certificates, your qualifications, your achievements, basically everything that the university has requested and anything that can project you as a strong candidate. You will be asked to provide references as part of your application process, and this is very important. You have to make sure you have good quality references, because references help verify what you've said in your application, what you have mentioned in your personal statement, and basically makes the job of the admissions team and the faculty easier. Good references also help in fast-tracking your application and making sure that you've got the offer letter well in advance, perhaps even way before those who haven't provided references. So this is something that you should definitely look into getting before you submit your application. So remember, research the course, look into the university, look into the facilities it has, look into the industrial links that it has as well, because that will definitely help you once you're done. Create a very strong personal statement, get all your documentations ready, clear, prints, everything sorted out before you apply, and definitely take a tour of the campus, whether physically being present there or virtually. Make sure you are happy. Try and talk to the students who study there currently, speak to the faculty members, get all your questions answered, and then decide where you want to be spending the next few years of your life. Remember, university is not just about studies and research, it's also a time in your life where you make some of the best memories, where you have fun, interact with people from different places. So it's definitely something that you should spend a lot of time on before you decide where you want to be. I hope this helps, and all the best.